Hey, what's up everybody, and it's me Mahi. Welcome back to another video. This is what an average Gen Z feel while going to the office, just like going to the battleground. What is future of Gen Z in job market? Will they survive this battleground? Let's see. Recently and maybe in upcoming years, the corporate world will see a lot of people working for them who are Gen Z. But you know what? Millennials and corporate employees hate Gen Z. But why? Okay, so what is corporate world? Well, जहाँ पर आप काम करने जाते हैं, फिर उधर बॉस आपको कुछ सुनाता है, and you are working fully stressed, like no life scene. यही तो होता है काम करना, right? At least for the people like millennials, cause उनको तो ये लगता है, and वो same चीज expect करते हैं Gen Z से. But किधर Gen Z? I mean मैं खुद एक Gen Z हूँ. हम लोग तो काफी ज्यादा problematic है. Like we argue on things which are wrong. एंड हम बिल्कुल भी किसी की फालतू सी फ्रस्ट्रेशन को नहीं सुनते, चाहे वो बॉस की हो या किसी एम्प्लॉय की हो. खुद की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को प्रायोरिटी देना इज समथिंग जेन जी वुड प्रेफर. नाउ जेन जी बिलीव इन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. उनको काम तो करना है बट दे ऑल्सो वांट टू एंजॉय देयर लाइफ. बट ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. कॉर्पोरेट में तो तुम्हें हमेशा स्ट्रेस पे ही काम करना पड़ेगा. प्रॉब्लम्स तो बस जेन जी में. Now that's the main reason why millennials hate Gen Z. Okay, let me show you some videos now.
Z workers में प्रोफेशनलिज्म, मोटिवेशन, स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्क एथिक्स और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की भारी कमी है. ये लोग एक सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट से भरे हुए होते हैं, यानी कि इनमें एक सॉर्ट ऑफ सुपीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स काम करता है.
Under workplace invests significant time and money in training a fresh hire, and after you've invested your time, energy, Gen Zs will still leave because they don't feel that larger purpose, and it can obviously piss off the hiring managers and colleagues from older generation because they have wasted a significant amount of time and money and effort.
Okay, let's talk about the first video here. So this guy right here said the communication. I mean, I don't know what Gen Z people they are dealing with, but there is no better generation right now which is better than Gen Z in terms of communication and using technology. And रही बात work ethics की. So what is work ethics though? Well, in very easy language, you can say that you are doing everything on time, doing hard work for the company. You are literally putting every single thing on your work you are doing. It's like कि कोई तुमको force नहीं कर रहा है and भाई तुम खुद से वो काम करना चाहते हो. Which I would say is really good thing. Everyone should have some work ethics. But are these companies treating you like this? Like तुम तो सब कुछ अपना दे रहे हो, but क्या companies तुम्हें अपना सब कुछ दे रही है? Well, I would say no. Like what most of the companies are doing, they are just treating you like a normal employee. That's it. मतलब they really don't care about you. You are the one who can easily replaceable. I'm not saying this by my own, but I have seen people online who put so much time, their everything for the company, but in return what? They got easily replaced. So, if a company is not putting 100% on you, and they are expecting you to put 100%, I would say Gen Z would not prefer this. Work ethics होने तो चाहिए, but तुम चाहते हो कि बस सामने वाला ही करे, तो I think it's थोड़ा सा problematic. And let's talk about the second one. I know employers put a lot of money to hire a candidate, and अगर वो बीच में leave करके जाएगा, it would definitely cost the company too much. 100% agree on this. Now, but the one who is joining, वो वहाँ पर काम करने आता है. Now when he is into the job, तब उसको realize होगा how toxic this environment, like the corporate politics and all, कि तुमको manager and HR को खुश करना पड़ेगा rather than being good at your work. And even if you done your work before time, they will give you more without appreciating you. I think that's the main reason why Gen Z quit their job. They prefer their mental health over this. And I'm not saying that ki companies are always at the fault, but it's like 50-50%. So stop blaming Gen Z for that ki they are so bad in this corporate life. So will Gen Z gonna be jobless in future? And the answer is absolutely fucking not. Then what is the future of Gen Z in market? Well, things will get normal because after some time most of the people are working are Gen Z. You will find most of the people with same mindset. Also, people are worried that AI gonna take your job in future, which is somehow true, but not 100%. What do you think? AI will not take your job. but will do tasks for you. Like if you know how to use AI, that using that AI in your whatever thing you're working on to do that work more efficiently, then you ain't going anywhere. But there are some jobs which are definitely in danger. So what are you gonna do? Soft skills. Yeah, soft skill like how to talk, basically communication and how to act and how to behave. But I know most of the people don't talk about this skill, which is convincing. If you know how to convince people, then I think that is like the most important skill ever. Like I mean अगर तुम किसी को अपनी बातों पर भरोसा दिला रहे हो, that's a very big deal. Because at the end you have to convince a lot of people in your workplace. And the more you're good at this, the more there are chances for your growth. Baki jobs are something that is really changing in recent years. Influencers are making a lot of money. That is also a good career option. But every influencer is not making a lot of money. And you have to do something extraordinary. And फिर वही बात soft skills पर आ जाती है. And now there are like a lot of career options in creative field. You can create content and post on Instagram, YouTube, anywhere else. Also, like abhi right now everyone is so hyped about going to concerts. Not only artists, but the one who are organizing, the one who are managing are also earning a lot of money from these concerts. And then one of my friends is in stock market and trading. And even like there are people who make money by selling their sneakers, like sneakerhead and all. And thrifting is also a good career option. And these are like non-traditional jobs. And corporate में तो there are a lot of jobs. और अगर ऐसे office ocean के बीच में कहीं होगा तो भाई बहुत ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आ जाएगा. Anyways, there are jobs but you need skills for them. So start improving your soft skills and hardcore skills. And that's it for today's video. Till then, bye bye. Bye cuties.